Happy Friday, everyone. Stereo Man back at it again. Today, we've got this very nice 2013 Kia Soul. Now, complaint about this vehicle is that the factory radio, it goes in and out. Sometimes it'll power up, but they have no sound, and other times it won't even power up when the key is turned on. So they made the best call possible. The call to Greer Auto, 708-821-3526. In this vehicle, we're going to install this brand new power acoustic doubled-in head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Customer has an iPhone, her husband has an Android phone. So guess what? Best of both worlds right here. They'll be able to access navigation, music from their phones, all that good stuff right from the radio without touching the phone. It's the best part about it. If you want this, you can have it. All you got to do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Let's get started, shall we? Oh yeah, also in this vehicle, it has steering wheel controls. It has the volume up and down, has the mode button, mute, it has phone answer and phone hang up, as well as voice command button. In most vehicles, the phone answer, hang up, and the voice command button do not work with aftermarket radios in most vehicles. So we're gonna see if this was gonna be any different. So stay tuned, and when you want the best, hey, you gotta make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Let's get started. So we got this factory head unit in this 13 Kia Soul. The radio, it goes in and out. Customers complaining that it'll work sometimes, then sometimes it won't. It'll power up sometimes, and then there'll be no sound, or it just won't power up at all. So we're going to go ahead and replace this radio with Apple CarPlay. Stay tuned. And you see this one, we got the bezel out right here. You see it has a screen up top. This is a dealer installed screen that has a backup camera in it, and it has navigation, but the navigation no longer works. But the backup camera does, even though it's not real clear. But it was installed immediately after the customer purchased the vehicle in 2013. So this is going to remain intact. So is that backup cam that's in here. So what we're going to do is take out the head unit right here, because this screen right here and the head unit are wired independently of each other. All right, we're getting the wiring in, getting the steering wheel control buttons programmed, and you see it's a lot of stuff that has to come apart in this vehicle. But of course, when we get it put back together, we will not be able to tell anything was ever disassembled, which is what you always get when you come to Greer Auto. Those who desire the best, make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Let's finish up. See, we got Android Auto on right now. Scroll around the map and everything. Scroll around the map, all that good stuff. Steering wheel controls work just like factory. If I want to go to the next song, do that right from the steering wheel. Or if I want to go back to the previous song, I can. So let's say I dial my voicemail.
Please enter your password.
See that? I can push the button right here and hang up. Hangs right up and goes back to the music. If my phone were ringing, I could hit this button right here and answer the call. And then you can also switch the source right from the steering wheel as well. See that?
Like that.
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, because this radio only has the front USB, I had a harness that would have integrated the factory USB right here. But like I said, because this is a front USB radio, it would serve no purpose at all. If it had the rear USB, then it would have been absolutely perfect for this. See this? It's got this factory screen up here that's the navigation doesn't even work anymore, but it has the backup cam integrated into it, and you see we kept that. Yep. Another flawless install, people.
I want something beautiful. I know something beautiful.
Play Rain King by Counting Crows.
Alright, asking Rocket Player to play Rain King by Counting Crows.
See it for yourself. Once again, another flawless install. So when you desire the best and when you see the shirt, you know you're dealing with the best. So all you gotta do is make the call, make a deposit, and make an appointment. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace, God bless you, and we'll see you at the next install. And happy Friday, people.
belly of a fly.